Hi everybody. In the previous video, we were discussing about vouching and the different aspects related to vouching. In this video, let us see in detail about the vouching of different kinds of transactions. First of all, let us see what is vouching of cash transactions. Cash book is an important books of account for any business organization. From the earlier classes onwards, you were studying about different cash book, different materials that are included or different transactions that are included in the cash book. It includes the receipts and payments recorded, and the cash balance on any day can be recorded, can be known from the cash book. This is one of the advantage of cash book. The entries for receipt and payment of cash are checked with reference to various supporting documentary evidences. So cash transactions means you know that any transactions that is done for cash by the immediate payment of cash, we call it as cash transactions. And cash book is an important books of account in any business organization that records the receipts and payments and the cash balance of every day or any day can be known from the cash book, and the entries for receipts and payment of cash are checked with reference to various supporting evidences, and that we call it as vouching of cash transactions. So checking the entries made in the receipts and payments of cash with the help of supporting documentary evidence is known as vouching of cash transactions. Let us see some of the objects of cash vouching of cash transactions. By doing vouching in cash transactions, it helps us to ascertain that all the expenses and receipts are shown under the correct book. To ascertain that all the expenses and receipts are shown under the correct heads, we use vouching of cash transactions. To ensure that there is no unauthorized or fraudulent payments are made, and also to verify that the closing cash balance are correctly struck. These are some of the common objectives of doing vouching in cash transactions. First one is to ascertain that all expenses and receipts are shown under correct book, and also to ascertain that all the expenses and receipts are shown under correct heads, and also to ensure that no fraudulent payments or unauthorized payments are made, and also to verify that closing cash bank balance are correctly struck. And let us see the vouching of receipt side of cash book. Vouching of a receipt side of cash book. Receipt side of cash book includes opening balance, cash sales, cash received from debtors, proceeds of bills receivable, income for interest and dividend, sale of investment, commission received, rent received, proceeds from sale of scrapped machinery, proceeds from sale of fixed assets, etc. So, how we are vouching the cash transaction or the receipt side of cash transaction is going to be discussed. So, first item is opening balance. Opening balance is vouched with the help of cash book of previous year. So, in the previous year, closing balance will be recorded, and the same closing balance will be the opening balance of the next year. So, in order to verify or in order to vouch the cash transaction or in order to vouch the opening balance, we use cash book of the previous year. So, in order to vouch the cash sales, copies of cash memos are used. And in order to vouch the cash received from debtors, receipts received, bank passbook, etc. are being verified. And proceeds of bill receivable is verified with the help of bills receivable book or passbook. Income from interest and dividend is vouched with help of receipts and counterfoils. Sale of investment is vouched with the help of sales deal receipt, etc. Commission received is vouched with the help of agreement, sales statement, etc. Rent received is vouched with the help of rent agreement, receipt, etc. Proceeds of sale of scrap machinery is done with the help of planned register. Proceeds from sale of fixed asset is done with the help of receipt, tender, etc. So opening cash balance is vouched with the help of cash book of previous year. Cash sale is vouched with the help of copies of cash memos. Cash received from debtors is vouched with the help of receipts, bank passbook, etc. Proceeds of bill receivable is done with the help of bill receivable book, passbook, etc. Income for interest and dividend is verified with the help of receipts and counterfoils. Sales of investment is verified with the help of sale deed, receipt, etc. Commission received is vouched with the help of agreement, sale statement, etc. Rent received is done with the help of rent agreement, receipt, etc. Proceeds from sale of scrapped value is vouched with the help of planned register, and proceeds from sale of fixed asset is verified or vouched with the help of receipt or the tender. So this is how vouching of receipt side of cash book is done. And here some other contents that are included in the receipt side of cash book include subscription received, insurance claim, recovery of claims, receipts from sale, hire purchase, royalty received, income from minimum rent, IT refund, dividend from receiver, share capital, debenture, issue of right share, etc. So subscription received is vouched with the help of register of members. Insurance claim is vouched by the supporting document insurance policy. Recovery of dividend is done with the help of supporting evidence or document, that is the claim register or cash book. Receipt from sale of hire purchase is vouched with the help of hire purchase agreement. Royalty received is done with the help of contract of lease. Income of minimum rent is vouched with the help of lease agreement. IT refund is done or verified with the help of return of income or app. Then dividend from receiver is verified with the help of receipt or passbook. Capital, that is share capital, is verified or vouched with the help of share application, share allotment, books, board resolution, etc. Debentures are verified with the help of cash book, debenture application, boards resolution, etc. The issue of right shares is verified with the help of cash book or a letter of offer. So in this video we were discussing about vouching of cash transactions. So the verifying the receipt side and payment side of cash book is included in vouching of cash transaction, and the vouching is done with the help of documentary evidences that are supporting the transactions. So that is all about this video. Thank you all for listening to me.